before you start any electrical work, make sure you know what you're doing, or make sure you hire a professional. For this project, I used 12 2-wire with a ground, which I should have used 12 3-wire with a ground. 12 3 and 14 3 is with a traveler wire. But in this case, I taped off the ground because my house is not grounded, and I used that as the traveler wire. But 12 2 with ground, 12 3 with traveler wire and ground is 20 amp, used for kitchens and bigger appliances. And 14 2 wire with ground and 14 3 wire with traveler wire and ground is used for 15 amps, which is used throughout the house and not any major appliances. I'm gonna teach how to wire up a 3-way switch. I've done the work, I just haven't had a chance to put the drywall back up. But as you can see here, I drilled the holes for the wire, and right here was too thick, so I kind of notched it out. If you can see right here, I notched it out. And technically you're supposed to put a plate. You're supposed to put a plate over this as well, just in case somebody drills, they won't drill into the wire. And so here, this black wire is where the light comes in. As you can see, it's running up. And I know it is because you can see it on the back end right here. So the light comes down, and the light has power from somewhere in this room. I don't know that part yet, but I know the light has power because there was a 1-way switch here. And then I just got so annoyed with coming back down because I forgot to turn off the light. So I wired this light to the common. It's always to the common. And then hot and cold. In this case, you should use a 12 3-wire or a 14 3-wire. 12 3 is 20 volts. So now, since the light is power, in this case, the power is coming in from the light, and I do not know what's giving the light power. It's probably one of these plugs around the room. So since the light's power goes to the black. And these are the 2 traveler wires right here. So now if I go upstairs, I don't have no light, but since this is connected and the light has power from somewhere else, this is going to be connected to the black wire, because this always needs to be connected to have some kind of power. And the 2 traveler wires are going to be on the top. So I wish I had light to show you guys, but you know, as I said in the beginning of my video, if you don't understand electric, you should hire a professional.